morning students. So today we start the chapter number 13, that is the organism and population. Okay, so here that is the in the introductory part of the organisms and population. So many organisms, variety of the organisms which are found in our world. Okay, so here that is the to identify such an organism. So first one, here we study the levels of organization. That is there are the certain levels are there for their organization. So here that is the macromolecules, means like the carbohydrate, proteins, fats. These are the macromolecules. After that, cell, tissue, organ, system. Next one, that is the organisms, population, community, environment, and the last level of the organization, it is the biome. So these are the different level of the organization which are found. After that, ecology. So ecology means it is related to the biology. So ecology means there is the interrelationship between organism and environment. म्हणजे सजीवांची सजीवांशी किंवा सजीवांशी पर्यावरणाशी होणारी जी जडणघडण आहे किंवा आंतरक्रिया आहे, इट इज कॉल्ड एज द इकॉलॉजी. इकॉलॉजिकल लेवल्स विथ इन्क्रीजिंग कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी, म्हणजे हे जे स्तर आहेत पर्यावरणाचे त्याच्यामध्ये कशा प्रकारची कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी म्हणजे गुंतागुंतता होत जाते. सो हियर दॅट इज द 3 levels which are found. That first one, organism. So organism, it is the simple unit. It is the very simple basic unit of classification. So such an organism means that it is the basic unit of ecological hierarchy. Next one, population. So group of the organism, group of the species live in a particular area, it is called as population. Community, that is different group of population of the different species, वेगवेगळ्या जातीच्या वेगवेगळ्या लोकसंख्या एकत्र राहतात to form community, समाज तयार होतो. And biome, it is the large unit, it is the large terrestrial unit, it is called as the biome. So next one, organism and environment around. So here there are the many organisms which are found in the environment around itself. So these organisms show the first characteristic is the adaptation. Adaptation म्हणजे परिस्थितीशी जुळवून घेणे. So here these organisms not only carry out adaptation for only the survival but also for the multiplication. They make the changes inside their body according to the environment. म्हणजे फक्त जगण्यासाठी नव्हे तर आपली संख्या वाढवण्यासाठी सुद्धा त्यांच्यामध्ये बदल घडून येतात. It is called as the adaptation. Season. So here on the land there are the different seasons which are found. So here that is the, in case of the rainy season, winter, then that is the summer. So different seasons are there, and that's why because of the different seasons, so different habitats which are found on the land. After that is regional and local variation. So because of the certain changes, certain local and regional variation, there are the different seasons which are found. There are the different, that is the habitats like grassland, ocean. Next one, that is here mountain, desert. So these are the habitat, म्हणजे वसती स्थान, अधिवास दिसून येतात. Habitat means it is the area occupied by the organism, space or the area occupied by the organism, it is called as the habitat is there. For example, that is the aquatic habitat, arboreal habitat, terrestrial habitat. These are the habitats are there. Adivas. Difference between habitat and niche. Habitat means it is the place where the organism which can be survived. It is called as habitat. And niche means मराठीमध्ये त्याला आपण कोनाडा म्हणतो, म्हणजे एक कोपरा. So niche means where the species which can be show functional role. It is called as the niche. In that habitat there are the biotic as well as abiotic factors which are found. Niche, the energy which can be flow from one organism to the another organism. Habitat म्हणजे एखाद्या अधिवासामध्ये there are many components are there, but niche do not contain many components. In that habitat many niche are found. एखाद्या अधिवासामध्ये अनेक कोनाडे दिसून येतात. म्हणजे एखादा अधिवास असेल, फॉर एक्झाम्पल birds which are live in that habitat. But such all the species of the birds which are not live together, they make the group, and such a group is called as niche. म्हणजे एखाद्या अधिवासामध्ये अनेक जातीचे पक्षी आढळतात पण ते एकत्र राहत नाही. प्रत्येक जातीचा जो ग्रुप तयार होतो त्याला म्हणतो आपण निची. In that habitat many niche are found, but in niche no any different habitat are there. Single species which can be found in the single niche. एका कोनाड्यामध्ये एकच जात आढळते. Next one. So here that is the definition of the habitat. So you know that habitat, it is the place where the organism which can be adapt, organism which can be survive. Okay. So types of the habitat. Microhabitat means there is the small surrounding towards the organism. It is called as microhabitat. Small surrounding, छोटासा आजूबाजूचा जो भाग असतो around the organism, it is called as microhabitat. Definition of the niche. So niche means here that is the organism which can be show functional role. Okay. So here that is the energy which can be transferred from one organism to the next organism. Types of niche. Spatial niche. Spatial niche means related to the space. Okay. Trophic niche. Trophic niche means this niche which is depend on the trophic level in the food chain. अन्न साखळीमध्ये त्यांची लेवल कुठची आहे. Multidimensional hyper volume niche. It is the third type. So in that multidimensional many factors which are involved. Hyper volume means large space. It is called as hyper volume niche. Fundamental and realized niche. Fundamental, in that niche there are the competitors which are absent. त्यांच्यामध्ये कॉम्पिटिटर नसतात, स्पर्धक नसतात. And in the realized niche, realistic approach is there. Here the many competitors. म्हणजे त्या एखाद्या पक्षाला इतर अनेक स्पर्धक असू शकतात. So it is called as the realized niche is there. So here that is the first basic point which can be completed from the chapter number 13. Remaining part we will study in the next lecture.